Okay, welcome back, folks, to the last 10 set of questions centered around sequences and series for Form 2 class. Let's have a look at these questions. Find the term-to-term rule for this given sequence. So like we said, we test on the difference between consecutive terms. 6 and 12, the difference 6, 12 and 18, 6. So it looks like we're adding 6 all the while. So we can say the term-to-term rule is add 6 starting with 6 itself. So it's important to denote the first term. Find the rule for this particular sequence. So it's starting with 50, and the difference there is 5, so it's minus 5. It looks like it's minus 5 all the while. So here we say we're subtracting 5. That's the term-to-term rule. Generate the first 6 terms of this given sequence. We start with 1 multiplied by 2. So starting with 1, so we have 1 multiplied by 2, we have 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. I think they are now 6, and we say it continues like that. Then moving to the fourth, write the first 5 terms of, so we're given a formula there, so we want the first 5. So like we agreed earlier, for positions, it has to be natural form. So 1 squared plus 1, it gives us a 2. Then 2 squared plus 1, so 2 squared, that's 4, we have 5. 3 squared, 9, 10. 4 squared, 16, then we have 17 there. Then 5 squared, 25, then we have 26. And the pattern continues like that. Then we move on, write the first 4 terms of that given sequence. So as usual, n is in natural form 1, 2, going on. So 2 times 1, that's 2 plus 1, 5. We move on to 2 times 2, 4 plus 3, 7. 2 times 3, 6, 9 there. So it looks like we have odd numbers there. That will be 11, 13. It goes on like that. Actually made 5. Find the 15th term of, so we're given a formula. So when we say term on 15 position, on our formula, the position will replace it with 15. So 15 minus 2, it gives us 13. That's what we have there. And moving to number 7, ninth term, like we did previously, we're interested in term on position 9. So our n becomes 9. So it's 4 times 9, the result will be 36. Then moving on again, we have the nth term, which is the formula. So we are given Tn is equal to 3n minus 5. So n is the position. So when we say term 6, means where we have n is 6. 3 times 6, that's 18 minus 5. It gives us 13. So on position 6, we have 13. Then number 9, write down the sequence for, we want the first 5 terms. So n is position. So 5 times 1, that's 5 minus 1. So it means the first position we have 4. 5 times 2, 10 minus 1, that's 9. We have 14, then 19, and 24. And the pattern goes on like that as we're substituting positions for n. A sequence is nth term equal to n squared. Find the fourth and 10th term. So we're given a formula or rule there that Tn is equal to n squared. So T4 is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. Then T10 is equal to 10 squared according to the formula, which is 100. I think basically that's it to expect in Form 2 sequences and series. Bye, folks.